The is a powerful naval fighter jet developed to operate from aircraft carriers, making it one of the most unique variants in the flanker family. Designed primarily for the Russian Navy, it combines strong air superiority performance with reinforced structures needed for carrier landings and takeoffs. Its imposing size and distinctive folding wings immediately set it apart from land-based fighters. One of the most impressive aspects of the Su-33 is its aerodynamic design. The aircraft features canards near the cockpit and large wings that provide excellent lift at low speeds, which is critical for carrier operations. These design elements allow it to take off from short carrier decks using a ski jump ramp rather than catapults. In terms of performance, the Su-33 is known for its powerful engines and high maneuverability. It can reach very high speeds while still maintaining control during sharp turns and complex aerial maneuvers. This agility makes it extremely capable in dogfights and close-range aerial combat situations. The cockpit of the Su-33 reflects its era of development, combining analog instruments with early digital systems. While not as modern as fifth-generation fighters, it still provides pilots with good situational awareness and reliable navigation and targeting tools. Its layout focuses on practicality and durability rather than luxury or extreme automation. Armament is another strong point of the Su-33. It can carry a wide range of air-to-air missiles for intercepting enemy aircraft and defending naval groups. The aircraft is also equipped with an internal cannon, giving it effectiveness in both missile combat and close-range engagements. Although primarily designed for air superiority, the Su-33 also has limited ground attack and maritime strike capability. It can carry bombs and rockets for attacking surface targets, though this role is secondary compared to its main mission of fleet defense. This flexibility adds value to its operational profile. Carrier suitability is where the Su-33 truly shines. Its strengthened landing gear and tailhook allow it to land safely on moving aircraft carriers in harsh sea conditions. The folding wings reduce its storage footprint, enabling more aircraft to be carried onboard naval vessels. In operational history, the Su-33 has mainly served aboard Russia's aircraft carrier Admiral Kuznetsov. It has participated in training exercises and real-world missions, proving its reliability under demanding conditions. These deployments demonstrated that Russia could maintain a carrier-based fighter force despite limited carrier infrastructure. From a maintenance perspective, the Su-33 is a complex aircraft that requires skilled crews and significant resources. Naval aviation is always more demanding than land-based operations, and the Su-33 reflects this reality. However, its rugged design helps it withstand corrosion and stress from sea environments. Technologically, the Su-33 represents an important step between older Soviet fighters and modern multirole jets. While it lacks stealth and advanced sensor fusion, it still benefits from strong radar performance and long operational range, making it effective for patrol and interception missions. The aircraft's range and endurance are especially valuable for naval defense. It can stay airborne for long periods, protecting carrier groups from hostile aircraft and missiles. This long reach helps extend the defensive perimeter far beyond the fleet itself. Visually, the Su-33 is one of the most striking fighter jets ever built. Its blue camouflage scheme, massive wingspan, and twin-engine layout give it a commanding presence in the sky. Aviation enthusiasts often regard it as one of the most beautiful carrier-based fighters in history. Despite its strengths, the Su-33 also faces limitations. It is relatively heavy and expensive to operate, and its avionics are outdated compared to modern fighters like newer Russian and Western aircraft. These factors have reduced its long-term future in frontline service. Modernization programs have attempted to keep the Su-33 relevant, including upgrades to weapons compatibility and navigation systems. While these updates improve performance, they cannot fully transform it into a next-generation aircraft. It remains a product of its original design philosophy. Overall, the Su-33 stands as a symbol of Russian naval aviation capability. It combines brute power, impressive maneuverability, and carrier adaptability into one formidable machine. Even today, it continues to represent a unique chapter in the history of fighter aircraft development. In conclusion, the Su-33 is not just a fighter jet but a demonstration of engineering built for extreme conditions at sea. While newer aircraft may surpass it in technology, the Su-33's legacy as a carrier-based interceptor remains strong. Its role in protecting naval fleets and its iconic design ensure it will be remembered as one of the most remarkable fighters of its generation.